Is your iPhone begging for more space? Let's shrink those photo files and reclaim your storage. First, open your Photos app and find the image you want to compress. Tap the share icon, that's the square with an arrow pointing upwards, located at the bottom left. From the share sheet options, scroll down and select Save to Files. This will bring up your iPhone's file saving interface. We're going to save it to iCloud Drive for easy access, but you could also save it to your iPhone storage. Tap on iCloud Drive. You can create a new folder for your compressed photos, or just save it directly into an existing one to keep things tidy. For this demonstration, let's save it into a folder named Compressed Photos. Tap Save. Now, open your Files app. Locate the photo you just saved. You'll notice the file size is likely significantly smaller than the original. And there you have it. You've successfully compressed your photo without needing any extra apps. This is perfect for sending via email, uploading to social media, or just making more room on your iPhone for new memories. Happy organizing!